Hi, Melissa from Girl Gone Fishing YouTube here, and today I'm at the East Harbor State Park campground where I'm going to spend the night and get ready to launch early in the morning for the Buckeye Kayak Fishing Trail and Kayak Bass Fishing East-West Harbor tournament on the Lake Erie harbors. So I've never been up here before, I've never fished Lake Erie, I've never seen these harbors, so I'm really excited about trying new waters and seeing what I can do. So there is my room for the night. Good morning from Lake Erie, or the harbor anyway. So I'm off to a pretty slow start this morning. We were allowed to launch at 5, start paddling at 5:30, fishing at 6, but it's 7 o'clock now and I really haven't done much fishing. At first it was because I didn't want to go out until it was light, and then I realized it just wasn't organized. So instead of rushing, I just took my time, and I'm out here now, starting to get a little more comfortable. At first I was really intimidated by the idea of Lake Erie, and then I saw these really big boats that were heading out, and I got even more nervous. But it's not really that deep. It's got a lot of good structure on the shoreline. Of course, with no electronics, I have no idea what the structure underneath is. But looks like I can break it down just like a normal lake, and hopefully I'll get some fish. Since I don't have electronics, I use my crankbaits as depth finders, and the 3XD is apparently too deep of a diver. But we have some really nice healthy grass here. Wow, even the 1.5 is getting in the grass. Right now, I'm out a little bit deeper, and I'm throwing a chatterbait, white chatterbait with a white tube trailer, and I'm trying to reel fast enough that it just goes across the top of the grass. So I don't know if that's a fish catching technique or not, but at least it's fishing, so that's a step forward. Frustrating and disappointing and unsatisfying because I felt like I really had a paddle in my hands more than I did the fishing pole. The wind killed me today. I could not hold my kayak in place to fish. Everyone was telling me they were doing well with the soft plastics, like a weightless Senko, dropping the Senko in the holes in the grass. I couldn't do that because anytime I stopped paddling, my kayak moved like huge amounts. My biggest mistake was getting a late start. Lines in was 6 o'clock and I didn't launch until 6:30. I was just intimidated by the dark, and then I was behind and it just took me too long. So I launched around 6:30 and then realized I had to paddle into the wind and try to drift. So I paddled up into the marina at the end of the lake, and it was 7:10 before I got my first cast. And then all the charter boats started leaving from that marina, and these were some really big boats, the biggest boats I've ever seen from my kayak. So I was really intimidated and distracted by these boats. It wasn't until about 8:30 that I finally settled down and applied myself to trying to figure out how to fish the shallow, weedy lake. And according to everyone I that. So that was the number one thing that I could have changed to have had a more successful tournament.